Designing electrical products and validating their performance, producing technical communications from 3D models, and collaborating across teams in a single, secure environment are made more accessible by incorporating SOLIDWORKS Electrical Professional into your workflow. SOLIDWORKS Electrical Professional combines SOLIDWORKS Electrical Schematic and SOLIDWORKS Electrical 3D into one convenient package to provide a consistent and collaborative environment for electrical and mechanical designers. The SOLIDWORKS Electrical Professional package is ideal for designers working across 2D and 3D design disciplines and grants access to all the advanced design tools contained within 2D and 3D electrical packages for a cost of a single license. The professional package has applications across multiple industries and simplifies the design process for products that include harnesses, enclosures, panels, and PCBs. Manage the entire electrical design process from a single PC by creating 2D schematics that seamlessly transition into fully editable 3D SOLIDWORKS CAD models. Collaboration is highly encouraged by SOLIDWORKS Electrical Professional, enabling multiple users to work on the same project simultaneously, access data from a common SQL database, and communicate through dedicated chat tools. SOLIDWORKS Electrical Professional also includes an inbuilt connector to SOLIDWORKS PDM to enable more streamlined management of your projects by securing them within a highly configurable data management system and providing a complete audit trail for your CAD data. Businesses across the world trust SOLIDWORKS Electrical Professional to deliver high-quality electrical products, and as part of the TriMet Group, we support them through their product development journey. Watch how SOLIDWORKS Electrical Professional can enhance your design process in the demonstrations around our website, or book your own private demonstration to discover how we can help you reduce costs and maximise your efficiency.